Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to swap numbers in Java. And right here I have my package called com JavaTricks module 0, and I have created a class called Java swap numbers. And now I'm going to create the main method, public static okay. And now we have our main method. I'm going to create a scanner to be able to get the inputs from the keyboard. So scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in, and we organize your imports, Control Shift O, and here you are, import Java UT scanner. And then we are going to create we are going to ask the user to enter the input. So enter numbers, and maybe let's say enter three numbers, and we need to create variable for three numbers. So int number 1 is equal to input dot next int and this is how you get the input from the keyboard. And now I'm going to make two more variables, and number 2, and here number 3. And then I'm going to create one more variable, int tempo or temporary. Then we're going to ask if number 1 is greater than number 2, then temp should take number 1, and then number 1 should take number 2. And then number 2 should take temp. Okay, so what it means is that if this number 1 is greater than number 2, we take a temp to number 1, and number 1 to number 2, and then we take number 2 to temp. And also we check, you just copy, paste, and now we check to number 2 to number 3. So if number 2 is greater than number 3, then check temp, become number 2, and number 2 becomes number 3, and then number 3 becomes temp. And we have to repeat this again. Copy to this one, because when we swap these numbers, number 1 becomes number 2. So here number 2 is number 1 is number 2. So now we can print the outcome of our numbers and see if they are in order. So sysout so the numbers number 3, and when we save, and try to run the program, and then ask to enter the number. Okay, 8 2 1, enter. So the number is sorted to 1 2 3 1 2 and 8. So in case if we would like to add more numbers, let's say int number 4 input dot next next int, and then we have to check again. Let's copy, paste, and we check if number 3 is greater than 4, then we assign this temp to 3, and 3 becomes 4, equal to 4, and then we take 4 to temp, and then we need to again repeat this action here to, and then if we add here, you copy and paste it and change it to number 4 and save and run again. Enter the number, maybe 5, enter 1 6 9, enter. So we find the numbers are also sorted this form. Thank you guys for listening, and remember to subscribe and like. Bye bye.